I started with Keller back in 2014. I came over from another drilling company on the West Coast. Started with Keller in Seattle office actually, and then ended up getting married. Decided I needed to come to the East Coast where the wife was, and started working out of Baltimore. I was there for 5 years. Now I'm out of the Atlanta office. Learned to do a lot of the drilling here. They've taken a lot of time showing me different techniques. I came in from doing mostly horizontal and large water well drilling, and now I've done everything from jet grouting, micro piles, driving H-beams. We have a lot of different applications here. Willing to work hard and you put in the time and show initiative, then you will be promoted. You have access to become, start at the bottom as a chuck tender or a laborer, work your way up to an operator, then to a driller, and from driller superintendent, general superintendent. The sky's the limit based on how hard you are willing to work and how capable you are of doing it.